Today we'll be taking a look at a very important topic, an eye-opening topic, which is the best foods for your eyes and some of the supplements that can be used to supercharge your eyes health. Whether you are looking into maintaining your eye vision or you want to improve it, this video is going to help you. It's going to be beneficial to you. Before we dive right in, do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up and also share it at the end of this video. Share it with your friends and don't forget to hit on that subscribe button to get more videos like this from me. So before we hit on the specific foods, let us discuss briefly on why your eye health matters. So our eyes are the windows to the world, and taking care of them is essential for a vibrant and fulfilling life. Good eye health does not only help us to see clearly, it also helps us prevent age-related vision problems down the road. Okay, let's get right into the foods that are rich in vitamin A. Like, this one is not even news to many of you because growing up we've always said vitamin A is good for the eye, vitamin A is good for the eyes. And then you want to know, where are the sources of your vitamin A? Where are you getting your vitamin A? What are the foods that are rich in vitamin A? Vitamin A is essential for maintaining a good vision, and also the deficiency can lead to night blindness. Foods like sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, and kale are packed with beta-carotene, and they are also rich in vitamin A. Number 2, you want to be eating foods that are rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is known for its antioxidant properties, which helps to protect your eyes from oxidative damage. These are some of the foods that are high in vitamin C. They include your citrus fruits like your oranges, your lemon, grapes, strawberries, your bell peppers are excellent sources of vitamin C that can benefit your eye health. So when next you are cooking, you might want to add more of that bell peppers. And if you buy your food in a restaurant and you see that bell pepper, do not toss it. Don't throw it away. Try to eat it. It's actually good for your eyes. Number 3, you want to eat foods that are high in omega-3 fatty acids. This is because fatty acids are also essential for maintaining your eye health. It also helps to reduce the risks of age-related muscular degeneration and dry eye syndrome. So foods like your fish, your salmon, sardines, as well as flax seeds and walnuts are very rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These are fantastic choices that you might want to incorporate in your meals in order for you to achieve a better eye health. So now let's take a look at some supplements that you can take that is going to help improve your eye health. While getting nutrients from your whole foods or your diet is ideal, it is also important for you to consider taking some supplements, especially if you now have the specific concerns. Lutein zeaxanthin. This antioxidant is found in the eye macula, and it also helps to protect against harmful light. So they are often included in eye health supplements. So you might want to get this. And also vitamin E. It is an antioxidant that also helps to prevent the cataract and other age-related eye problems. Number 3, omega-3 supplement. If you can't get enough of it in your diet, it is also very important to consider getting this omega-3 fatty acids or omega-3 supplement and include it in your routine. Also, bilberry extract. It is known for improving night vision and also reducing eye fatigue. So if you are one of the people that don't see well at night, there are people that once it starts getting to evening, they want to rush back home because they can no longer see properly. So you might want to consider buying a bilberry supplement. Include it in your routine and it's really going to help improve your vision at night. Remember that this supplement should not replace your balanced diet, okay? And it is also essential to consult your physician or your healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, as well as they can also help you to determine your specific needs. So in conclusion, you want to eat diets that's rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, omega-3 fatty acids, along with taking the right supplements for your eye and your eye needs. Okay, this is going to work wonders for your eye, whether you are trying to maintain your vision or protect your eyes from age-related conditions. These dietary choices can make a significant difference on your eye health and you won't want to ignore them. Make a promise to yourself to take better care of your eyes. If you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends, share it with your community. You don't know who you might be helping by doing this. And also leave your comments down below. I love to read from you always. And do not forget to hit on that subscribe button and turn on that little bell beside it so that you'll be notified once I drop any new video like this on this channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'm going to see you in my next video.